Good morning and welcome to Friday Live with Red River Credit Union. My name is Emily Bright and today we are going to talk a little bit about our tax refunds. Yay! Everyone is so excited about getting their tax refund. I know I am. We look forward to that money coming in all year long, I think. I just want to give some pointers about making sure that your tax refund gets into the correct account, number one. The first thing you want to make sure is that you are actually putting your account number in and not your debit card number. So that is a lot of misconception that we have, is that people will write down their debit card number when they want their direct deposit to go in, and they don't actually write down their account number. So I know this may be taking you back to preschool a little bit, but I just want to help out a little bit. So here is a picture of a check. If you need your account number is this middle number here, okay? So if you have checks, this first number is going to be your routing number, which when you fill out your tax information for your direct deposit, they're going to ask for your routing number and your account number. So at the very bottom of your check, there they are right there for you. Okay, so routing number's first, account number is in the middle. Now, when you are putting your account number in, it's important to remember we do have some rules for that too, to make it easier and make sure that your direct deposit is going to go into your account. So what you want to do, our account numbers are 4 to 6 digits typically. And so here is another, if you have 4 digits in your account number, then it needs to be a 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then another 0. The dashes aren't necessary. I just have those there just for you guys. So if it's 5 digits, it's going to be a 0, 1, 0, 0, and then your 5 digits and a 0. So really, it's the rule of 10 digits. You want 10 digits here. So you want 0, 1, 0, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, your 6-digit member number, and then another 0. Hey, good morning, guys. How are you guys doing? So you have your 4-digit account numbers, and you want 0, 1, 0, 0, 0 in front of it, and then always a 0 at the end. Okay, so the rule of 10 digits. Always make sure you have 10 digits there. Do not just give them your 4-digit account number. Of course, you can come back and watch this video because I'm going to post it. So when you get ready to actually start in on getting your tax refund and needing your account number, you can come back and watch this video, and there it will be for you. Okay. So another important thing is if you do not write your account number down or your routing number down correctly, it may post to another account. When this happens, because it is documented that way and you actually wrote your number down that way, we don't have control of that. So if it goes into another account, the only way that that's going to be corrected is if the person that actually receives it into their account comes to us, notifies us, and has us place it and lets us know that it's a mistake. So please, please, please make sure you have this correct. We want you to get your money. We want to help you. However, if you write down the information incorrectly, there is not much on our end that we can do. And all of us know, hopefully there's good people out there. There's a lot of good people out there, but a lot of us know that there's some people out there that are not going to be honest, and they're going to take that money that was not theirs out of their account, and they're going to spend it. So, hey, Gail, how are you doing? Hey, Amanda. So make sure that you have your account number and your routing number written down correctly. If you do not have checks, our routing number is on our website at RRFCU.com. It is in the top right-hand corner. So if you just go to our website, right on our homepage, you can get the routing number. You can call or you can go into a branch and get your account number and just have your routing number and account number prepared before you go have your taxes done. Okay? So, another thing is if you have a paper check. So if you're not receiving a direct deposit, if you have a paper check, please just be patient with us. Tax season is another season that is a high fraud season. All of these identity thieves out there, they know that you are receiving this money. So they may try to trick you. You may actually receive a fake check. There are checks out there that are identical to an IRS check, and look and feel exactly the same, and they are not real. So just when you go to deposit or cash, if you have a paper check, be patient with us. Allow that teller to verify that check. We are doing that for your protection and your safety and security. So we want you to always be safe with your account, and we don't ever want any fraudulent activity to happen on your account and you to have to go through that. So if you have a paper check, make sure that please be patient with our tellers. Another thing about paper checks is if there are two parties on the check. So if you and your spouse are on the check together, then you cannot deposit that check into a account with just you alone on it. Okay, so it must go into an account that also has joint owners, and the two joint owners that are on the check. Good morning, Harold. Good morning, Teresa. Good morning, Tammy. So when you bring a paper check in, remember that if it has two people, if you and your spouse are listed on that check, then it must go into a joint account. Same thing goes for a direct deposit. If you are sending a direct deposit into an account, it must have both parties' names on that account. Otherwise, the direct deposit is going to be most likely sent back, and then you are going to have to wait on that money even longer. So we don't want that to happen to you. I certainly want my refund as soon as possible. I know you guys are waiting on yours probably too, and you want it as soon as possible. So make sure that if you have if your refund's coming in two different parties' names, that you put an account down and a routing number down that is going to a joint account. Another deal that I want to talk about is if you go to any kind of business entity that is going to process your tax refund on a card. So if you have a card, that card needs to have your name on it. There were several in the past that we have received that don't have a name. We have to be able to verify that that is your card with your tax refund. Another thing that happens with these cards is that they may have a limit on it. Now, not that the credit union is limiting you, but if that card has, say, $8,000 on it, it may have a limit set to only give you $2,000 every 24 hours. So you need to check with whoever you're getting your taxes done through, and make sure if they're giving you a card that, number one, it has your name on it, and number two, that you are able to have your name printed on that card, so that even if it's not us, whatever financial institution that you are going into to receive cash off that card, they're able to verify you with your ID and the card that you received from that business entity that did your taxes. Okay, so those are the pointers that I wanted to go over with you. If you missed the beginning of this video, please go back and watch the rest of it, just to make sure that you have your account number correct, you have your routing number correct, and when you are getting your refund, you can get it faster and easier if you actually fill out those documents correctly. So today, if you would like and share and comment below, just anything, just tell me hi, just say Red River's awesome, we love you guys, anything at all, just comment. We will actually do a random drawing for a $10 gift card today at the end of the day this afternoon. So just leave me any kind of comment below, like and share the video, and have a great Friday.